Hi guys and girls, video here on Bidmas, or some people call it Bodmas, which is the order in which you need to do calculations in. So each of the letters stands for a different part of a calculation. So B stands for brackets, I stands for indices, which is things like square, square root, cube, that kind of thing. If you say Bodmas, it generally stands for other, so things that aren't the other letters. D is divide or division. M is multiply. A is add. B, subtract. Apparently subtract starts with a B now. S, subtract. So when you're going through a calculation, if you follow the letters of Bidmas, it will tell you what order to do things in. For example, if you do 1 plus 2 times 3, do you do 1 plus 2, then times it by 3? Or do you do 2 times 3 and then add 1? Well, Bidmas would tell us the order of what to do. There are no brackets, there are no indices, there is no divide. Multiply comes first. So you do the multiply, that is 6. So now it's 1 plus 6, which is 7. Right, that's the kind of thing we're aiming for. So I've got quite a few examples and one where you have to work backwards as well. So let's have a look at these. So according to Bidmas, the first one, no brackets, no indices, no division. There is a multiplication, so that there makes 40. We can do 2 plus 40, that's 42. Same with the next one, we've got a multiplication, so that's 16. And 16 take away 5 is 11. The next one has got a division. So we do division, because division comes before, we've got a division and an add, so division comes before add. So 66 divided by 6 is 11. Then add 5 is 16. Next one we've got a subtract and a divide. Divide comes before subtract, so we do the divide first. 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then 35 take away 4 is 31. It's really important you don't change the order of the sums, you just replace the number. Next one we've got a subtract and a multiply. Multiply comes before subtract, so we've got 40. And then 51 take away 40 is 11. If we go on to the other side, we can see each one of these has got brackets. Now, brackets is the very first letter in Bidmas, so it's the bit you work out first. So the brackets are, we've got a 5, or 5 times 10 is 50. We've got 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 4 plus 20 is 24. And 24 divided by 4 is 6. Then we've got 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. And then 4 minus 3 is 1. And 6 plus 5 is 11. So 1 times 11 is 11. There you go, pretty simple. These working backwards ones, there's several ways you can go about these. If I take that first one, I've got to think of a number that when I take away 9 to it, 9 from it even, and then times by 3, I will get the answer 12. So the way I like to think about it is something times 3 is 12. Or the something has to be 4, because 4 times 3 is 12. So I need to think of a number that when I do the number take away 9, I get the answer 4. Well, the opposite to take away 9 is add 9. So 4 add 9 is 13. Let's try that out. 13 take away 9 is 4. Yes. 4 times 3 is 12. Yes. So that's that one done. This one, they've given us the bracket, so we can work that out. That's 4 times 7 is 28. So 28 plus something is 36. Sorry, 34. So if I do 34 take away 28, I'm going to get 6. 28 plus 6 is 34. Yes, that works as well. Another one of these unknowns in a bracket. So something times 6 is 48. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. There we go. That is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this bracket has to be worth 8. 4 plus what makes 8? Well, it's 4 plus 4 makes 8. So 4 plus 4 makes 8. 8 times 6 is 48. There we go. Right, next one. Something divided by 2 is 10. Something divided by 2 is 10. So that must have been 20, because 20 divided by 2 is 10. So now I've got to think of something plus 4 is 20. That's got to have been 16. So 16 plus 4 is 20, and 20 divided by 2 is 10. Then my last one for you, I've got something. Take away 12 is 36. So something take away... Actually, let's not use a box. Something take away 12 is 36. So if I do 36 add 12, that gives me 48. So this had to be 48. So now we've got something times 6 is 48. Hang on, I did my 6 times table up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 takes 12 is 36. There you go. All done. Bye.